Do you know how to create the bottom that cancels the group of the cells like in this example? Before you start, you need to know a few things. The first one, when you have created the Excel file, it is necessary to save it in the Excel macro enabled workbook format. The second one, go to Review and click on Options Accessibility. Customize the ribbon, and the most important thing is that all the checkboxes should be checked. And the third thing, you have to go to Developer and choose Visual Basic. Here we are going to write our VBI code. Don't forget to create the module. Go to Insert and choose Module. So, here we are. Let's go. Sub. Clear a single cell. Open and close the bars. Then, Range. Open the bars quotes. Select the first cell, in this case it is G5, and select the last cell of the last column, in this case L24. Point, and just add the clear contents. Press on the Run button and the formula will run. The next step is go to Developer, Insert, and let's design our bottom. As soon as you design it, just choose the right formula. In case if you wanna modify the bottom, right-click of the mouse and choose Edit Text. As soon as you're done, you have created your beautiful bottom. Guys, enjoy the video, put your like and subscribe.